so obnoxious. Hello! So every once in a while I come back and I revisit eyeliner. So let's do it. I love a couple different kinds, but right now I'm on the Makeup Forever graphic liner pen. It's aqua resist, so waterproof. It just goes on so good. I also like the Charlotte Tilbury one. That's the Feline Flick. You guys have seen me use it several times. I don't necessarily do like a big cat eye liner, but there is elements to a cat eye that I think are very important to incorporate when you're doing your eyeliner as a mature woman. 40 plus, 35 plus. Here's the tendency that can happen when you draw your eyeliner on and you actually follow your eye. It tends to draw the eye down. Even if you don't have a downturned eye, following this line down, it's just going to drag it in the corners. So it's really important when you're doing your eyeliner to get it as close to the lash line as possible. Start in that center point. And this is where I start to take the line straight, okay? But that's just a very gentle way. And I usually fill it in on the sides so that there's no gap. And it just looks like a super lush lash line and it makes your eyes look upturned. By just doing that trajectory, you're going to lift the corners of your eyes. And then after that, I will continue to push the liner into the lash line and create a complete line, but I have a lifted corner.